How to fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu, tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the keyboard disappearing issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then for the next solution, open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then look for the keyboard that you are using. Open the keyboard, and after that scroll down and here tap on storage, and then clear the app data and cache memory of the keyboard that you are using. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and then from the pop-up tap on delete. And after clearing the cache memory and app data, the keyboard disappearing issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.